Our number one saying when talking about UPM mix is it all starts with quality rock. So we're going to talk a little bit about gradation, cohesion, and adhesion. And a lot of that depends on the rock. So we're going to take our competitor's mix, try to take it out of the can. So we have a couple things going on here that I want to explain. First of all, the gradation, we can tell that the rock is dirty because the mix is dull. It's very dull. Secondly, there's very little asphalt, if any, getting on my gloves when I'm handling the material. And the third, the cohesion, as you can see, the material is just falling apart as I fluff it up with my hand. So first thing I'm going to do is take this can and roll it just a little bit to show you how the mix all moves. Notice as I roll the can, how the material rolls with the can all in one entire body. Second thing I'm going to point out is notice how the can is coated with asphalt. That's the self-priming nature of UPM mix. You don't need a tack coat for it. I'm going to throw a little bit in this box to show you the cohesiveness. See how it all flows in one unified little body there? And then the last thing is watch how it crawls. We always say, people when we make this stuff say it's alive because it crawls down, and that's what you want to see with a quality cold mix. Now I'm going to go back to the competitor's mix and show you their can. Notice how there's little, if any, asphalt sticking to the side of the can. This material lacks the adhesive properties to stick properly inside a pothole, and especially inside a wet pothole. What we're going to show here is the workability at lower temperatures today. Both of these samples have been in the freezer at 15 degrees for 24 hours. You'll notice that the UPM mix is shinier on the surface than the competitor's mix, and a lot of that's the function of viscosity and workability. So we're going to show you that now. So we're going to take the competitor's mix and take it out of the box carefully. Take our plastic off. So a mix at 15 degrees should be nice and flexible, and as you can see, the mix just falls apart. So it's not only is it not workable, but it's also not cohesive. As you can see, it's falling apart. Now we'll take the UPM mix and do the exact same thing. Take off our plastic. Notice how the mix stays together, is cohesive and workable. What this does is it allows the crews to easily shovel this and put it in the pothole, as well as let the material move with the road as the road moves in the wintertime through the various freeze and thaws. Once compacted, the finished mix will stay in the pothole. Lack of cohesion, lack of workability is going to have our competitor's mix coming out of the pothole typically within 24 hours.
There's a reason Unique Paving Materials has the brands to which all others try to compare. For more information about this amazing product, please give us a call today at 800-441-4880 or visit our website you see on the screen.